The Uganda 500 shillings coin minted by the Royal Canadian Mint in 1998 is an interesting piece of numismatic history. While it may not be the most valuable or sought-after coin in the world, it has its own unique story and significance. In this article, we will delve into the history of Uganda's currency, the Royal Canadian Mint's involvement in its production, and the design and features of the 1998 500 shillings coin. Uganda, a landlocked country in East Africa, has a rich history when it comes to currency and coinage. Traditionally, various forms of currency were used in the region, including cowrie shells, beads, and metal objects. However, the colonial era brought about significant changes in the Ugandan monetary system. Uganda was once a British protectorate, and during this time, British currency was used as the official medium of exchange. In 1966, Uganda gained independence, and the country began issuing its own currency. The first series of Ugandan shillings was introduced in denominations of 5, 10, 20, and 100 shillings. Over the years, the currency has evolved, with various denominations and designs being introduced. The 500 shillings coin, which we are focusing on in this article, was part of a series of coins used in Uganda for everyday transactions. The Royal Canadian Mint is renowned for its high-quality coin production. It has been involved in producing coins not only for Canada but also for various other countries around the world. The collaboration between the Royal Canadian Mint and Uganda for the production of the 500 shillings coin in 1998 is a testament to the Mint's international reputation. The decision to work with the Royal Canadian Mint likely stemmed from Uganda's desire to ensure the production of coins of consistent quality and security. The Mint's expertise in this regard made it an ideal choice for the task. The collaboration with a respected institution like the Royal Canadian Mint was likely seen as a way to enhance the credibility and durability of Uganda's currency. The 1998 Uganda 500 shillings coin is a small denomination coin that played a significant role in everyday transactions in the country. Let's delve into its design and notable features. 1. Obverse. The obverse side of the coin typically features a portrait of Uganda's head of state at the time. In 1998, Uganda was under the leadership of President Yoweri Museveni. The obverse would likely bear his image or that of any other significant national figure. 2. Reverse. The reverse side of the coin usually depicts a unique and culturally significant image. Many coins from around the world showcase elements of the country's culture, history, or wildlife. For Uganda, the choice of design could be anything from a national animal, a landmark, or an emblem symbolizing the country's heritage. The coin would clearly indicate its face value, which in this case is 500 shillings. This is crucial for users and merchants to identify the coin's worth in daily transactions. The Royal Canadian Mint may have included its mint mark on the coin to signify its origin. The mint mark is a small symbol or lettering that indicates where the coin was produced. The edge of the coin may have various features, such as reeding, ridges, or other patterns, which not only add to the coin's aesthetics but also serve security purposes to prevent counterfeiting. The Uganda 500 shillings coin minted by the Royal Canadian Mint in 1998 is a fascinating piece of numismatic history. It represents the intersection of two nations, Canada and Uganda, in their efforts to produce a reliable and secure currency for everyday use. The coin's design, featuring the nation's leader and a unique cultural or historical symbol, reflects Uganda's rich heritage. While it may not be the most valuable coin in the world, it carries a story of international collaboration and the importance of coinage in everyday life.